Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Google Voice Assistant on your DREAME TV. First of all, make sure that your TV remote control is connected to your TV. To do that, go to the quick settings menu either by navigating to this icon on the home screen or just by pressing the gear button on your remote control. Then go to all settings menu and scroll down to remotes and accessories and make sure that your TV remote is connected. If it is connected, then by pressing the microphone icon on your remote control, you'll be able to enter voice commands for your Google Assistant. But if you see that your voice input is off, you're gonna have to go to Accounts and Profiles in Settings and then select your Google profile. Scroll down to Voice Assistant and make sure that the voice control is enabled here. Then, in order to start using your voice assistant, you're going to have to hold down the microphone button and speak into your microphones, into your remote control. And this way you can, for example, say, I want to watch Harry Potter. And your TV will find the best results for you. Though sometimes it's a bit laggy, so let's use a different command, or maybe try one more time. I want to watch Harry Potter. Okay, and as you can see, I got the Harry Potter, all the Harry Potter chapters from 1 to 6. I'm not sure about the last two movies, why they're not included, but yeah, generally speaking, we can also ask the TV, what's the weather like outside today? And it will tell us about it. And that's pretty much how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.